Weather portion of Ag Week now, and let's start with the good news. The really cold air will stay up near the Hudson Bay where it belongs. We've seen this flat kind of zonal jet stream the past week or so. That's what kept our weather so quiet last work week. But there's changes on the way. With this flat jet stream, we've kind of got this cool air pooled over the northern tier of the country. And as we head into the next week, we're all going to see below average temperatures in the northern half of the country with above average to the south. As we get into the middle parts of the work week, that flat jet stream starts to get a little more amplitude. Here we are on Wednesday. A ridge builds into the eastern half of the country that lets warm air seek from the south up to the north, warmer into the Corn Belt and into the Great Lakes region, while a trough builds out on the western United States, allowing cooler air to cool down right out of Canada onto the west coast. As we get into Thursday, that even strengthens a little bit more, allowing an active pattern to set up right into the northern plains. But as we make our way into late week, this starts to recede and warmer air makes its way well into the northern plains. I think we'll see a little bit of a warm up as we get into next weekend. Now, don't get too used to the warm weather. It is spring and we're likely to see another cool down followed by another warm up. So temperatures kind of bouncing as we make our way into May. As far as precipitation goes, with that pattern setting up, storms can hop on this highway of the jet stream, make their way right into the northern plains. So I expect we see a wide area of showers, even some higher elevation snow. Some of that could mix in at times if temperatures fall below freezing at night. To the south, where we have cold fronts running into warm Gulf moisture, and that runs into each other, we can get some severe storms. So I expect severe storms to continue across parts of the deep south. The next week, a ridge builds into the eastern United States, kind of pushes the shower activity off to the east coast, and the storms further down into the deep south. As we head into May, we're looking at those up and down roller coaster temperatures. Spring showers continue, and we're looking at the storms staying in the deep south.